Hi, this is Emily Burghelea from Romania. I'm here for 11 days now and I'm so happy I came. I think it's a really nice place to find yourself. In this place you have time to be yourself, you have time to do whatever makes you feel good. So I was exhausted, to be honest with you. I was very tired. Living a stressful life it's not good for your body. You really need to make some precautions to not get in the worst mood that you ever could have. I've done the green salad juice and green salad. It was amazing because I eat something. The salad is really helpful because it gives you the satisfaction like you eat something, but in the same time you have the juices and the calories are very low, so you lose weight a lot. My husband lost 6.5 kilos. That is amazing. He's absolutely in love. I lose 3 kilos. I'm very happy. And I think they really helped us a lot. I feel more powerful. I feel like I'm new. I feel like I'm new. Okay, that's it. The day at TheLifeCo starts in the morning, actually at 6 o'clock. At 6 o'clock you wake up, you do your shower, you take your time, you breathe deeply, and after that you go for morning walk. Morning walk is my favorite part of the day because it gives me energy more than maybe 3 coffees gives me. I mean, after the morning walk I feel unstoppable, I feel very powerful. We saw the sun rising in the morning from the sea, and that was amazing. Also, we had a very nice group. We've done so many friends in here. We spoke a lot about everything, and here it's very easy to make friends actually because you just socialize. You say, hey, how are you? I'm Emily. What do you do? What kind of program do you do? How do you feel? Do you feel hungry? No, me neither. So that's very easy to make friends in here. After morning walk, we have a yoga session. Everybody came to yoga and we do very interesting positions and stuff like that. And also we train our muscles, so it's very good for the body also. After that, we have a break. We drink our juices. After that, we do yoga again. Hello. And after yoga, what can be the best thing after yoga that you can do? I've done 1 hour of walking and 2 hours of yoga. Let's make a meditation. We do guided meditation that really help us because it's a time when you are only you. It's just me, myself and I. You know that that phrase exactly like that. It's just me, myself and I, and I'm enjoying the silence. And also, like after the meditation, you really can feel your aura and you feel like a newborn. So that feeling is amazing. After that, you have some hours for yourself. You can go to sauna, you can go to hammam if you like. I've done hammam 3 times and I loved it. It was amazing. Somebody wash you and you just sit there and enjoy the pleasure. After hammam, massage, of course, because every day you can take a massage here, and the girls are really powerful, really strong girls. They know how to do it, you know what I mean? I'm like a bomb of energy now. I'm really very full of energy.